You've heard of Florida. You've heard of Texas, but there's a state sitting right on the East Coast that's been quietly beating both of them for years, and almost nobody is talking about it. If you're comparing states right now and New Hampshire isn't on your list, this video is going to change that. I'm going to walk you through the evidence of taxes, cost of living, quality of life, and by the end, you'll understand exactly why people who move here almost never leave. First, I'm going to tell you why New Hampshire has some of the best tax advantages in the country. The tax situation in New Hampshire is incredible, and most people moving here have no idea how good it actually is. Most people assume that if you want to escape taxes, you're moving to Florida or Texas. That's just what everyone says, but here's what nobody talks about. As of January 1st, 2025, New Hampshire became the only state in the entire country with zero income tax and zero sales tax. I'm talking no state income tax, no sales tax at any level. I had a client move here from Massachusetts last year, and when she filed her taxes for the first time as a New Hampshire resident, she called me and said, "Cam, why didn't anybody tell me about this sooner?" And that's exactly the point. Stack that with no estate tax and no inheritance tax, and you are keeping more of your money than virtually anywhere else in America. And if you are seriously considering moving here, make sure to download our free relocation guide. The link is right in the description below. And just want to clarify, that's not a sales pitch, it's just the math. And so if you're sitting here comparing New Hampshire to wherever you're coming from, run the numbers, talk to your CPA before you make any decisions, because for a lot of people, the tax savings alone pays for the move. Now, here's something that almost nobody is talking about, and honestly, it kind of blew me away when I first saw it. According to the United Health Foundation's annual report, New Hampshire was just ranked the #1 healthiest state in the entire country. Not California, not Colorado, New Hampshire. And yet you never hear anyone bring this up, which is exactly why I wanted to make this video, because this isn't just about clean air and hiking trails, although New Hampshire does have both. This ranking reflects strong healthcare access, low rates of disease, and high quality of life metrics across the board. I talk to people every single day who are relocating here, and when I bring this up, they are genuinely shocked. They had no idea, and that's the problem. New Hampshire keeps winning, and nobody seems to be paying any attention. And so if you are someone who is prioritizing your health and your family's well-being, which I'd be shocked if you weren't, when choosing where to live, this is not a small thing. The #1 healthiest state in the country is also, in some ways, one of the most affordable places on the East Coast, and most people are just completely sleeping on this. I mean, you've probably heard the New Hampshire motto, right? Live free or die. But most people think that that's just a cute saying on our license plate, and also that we don't have to wear seatbelts. Now, what if I told you that it's actually measurably true? New Hampshire has been ranked #1 for personal and economic freedom 24 times, not 24 years in a row by accident, but consistently over and over again. And it shows up in real, tangible ways. Lower regulations, fewer restrictions, and a government that largely stays out of the way of your day-to-day life. Stack that with some of the lowest crime rates in the country, and you start to understand why the people that move here stay here. I have clients that came here from major cities, Chicago, Boston, New York, and within a year, they're all saying the same thing. They feel safer, they feel freer, and they wonder why they waited so long to come to New Hampshire. Live free or die isn't just a motto. For 24 years running, the data has backed it up, and that is something you almost never hear about when it comes to New Hampshire. Now, here is the one thing that always stops people in their tracks when I lay it out for them. Most people think that moving to New Hampshire means giving something up. The ocean, the mountains, the city, the culture, like essentially you would have to pick one. But here's the reality. Within about an hour's drive, you can have the Atlantic coast, the White Mountains, one of the best small city food and cultural scenes in the entire country in Portsmouth, and Boston sitting just 60 minutes to the south. I have clients who surf in the morning, drive up to hike in the White Mountains in the afternoon, and grab dinner in Portsmouth that night. I mean, that's a long day for me, but there are people that do it. And that is not a vacation itinerary. That is just Tuesday. And then when they need a big city fix, Logan Airport and downtown Boston are right there. You are never more than an hour away from world-class dining, professional sports, and everything that comes with a major city. Most states make you choose, right? You want the mountains? Great. Give up the ocean. You want the city? Great. Give up the quiet. New Hampshire doesn't ask you to make that trade. You're really not giving up anything by moving here. If anything, you're gaining access to everything, and that is something almost nobody is talking about when they think about this state. Now let's talk about the number that actually matters when you're deciding to live here, and that's your total cost of living, not just your mortgage payment. I talk to buyers every single day who are coming from Boston, Cape Cod, and other parts of the country, and the first thing they notice is how much further their dollar can go in New Hampshire. Now, I'm going to be straight with you because that's just kind of my thing, right? Property taxes in New Hampshire are higher than the national average. I had a client last year who almost didn't move here because of that one number. He saw the property tax rate and immediately pumped the brakes, but then we sat down, he met with his CPA, they ran the full numbers with no income tax, no sales tax, and better value per square foot than a lot of comparable places on the East Coast. Suddenly the math looked a lot different. And when you factor in everything you are not paying in New Hampshire versus what you are paying, most buyers end up ahead. The problem is most people never actually do that math, right? They see one number, get scared, and move on. And my job is to make sure you see the full picture before you make that call, because for the right buyer, New Hampshire doesn't just compete with Boston or Cape Cod, it's a no-brainer. And that's the conversation that almost nobody is having. It's why New Hampshire is so overlooked. And now if you want to learn why I would say to not move to New Hampshire, because I just spent a lot of time telling you why to move here, watch this video right here.